This is a discharge hose that goes into a very high-end dishwasher. Geometry is very complex, so a lot of molds are just made with two plates, linear parting lines, they just open and close. This has an extremely complicated parting line that has to be matched exactly between the two mold halves. It's an injection mold, so we mold this part in pretty high volume. So it's very complicated tooling, very demanding material as well. It has to be flame resistant. Who knows why, but it is. And it has to be able to withstand the discharge from the soap solution and the effluent in the dishwasher itself.